On this sunny day, it's an honor to have two clients from Africa to visit Dingbo diesel generator manufactory. Every link embodies the wisdom and sweat of the people of Dingbo. Each process is a powerful support for Dingbo's quality. Our products are still stable and reliable under different loads. This is Dingbo's firm commitment to quality. The standard is 75 decibels at 7 meters. However, our actual test has achieved 76 decibels within 1 meter, and it is still in an indoor environment with great echoes. This seemingly tiny link is actually Dingbo's unremitting pursuit of perfection. Customers said they were deeply impressed by our factory and products. They are looking forward to successful cooperation. This visit is not only a process of understanding, but also an important step towards win-win cooperation. Dingbo Diesel Generator Set Manufacturing Plant will continue to welcome customers from all over the world with an open attitude and work together to create a beautiful future.